I'm indeed grateful to be the APAC lead for now, which stands for Networking Organization for Women. It is indeed a privilege to get the opportunity to enable our women to thrive. I have with me a passionate set of now country leads in APAC, and together as a group, we manage multiple initiatives, including the mentorship program, training for career development. We run various sessions on topics, including that of health, and of course, provide networking opportunities, especially with our senior women leaders. The best part of this initiative has been the support that we receive from our leadership, because of which we have been able to make meaningful change, especially those around policy change as well.
We also support inclusion by actively seeking out people or the opinion of the people who are from the diverse background. A very simple example can be like in the meetings. We understand in some of the cultures in Asia, they are not very vocal, they are not very loud. So they may not talk a lot in the meetings. So we always make it a point to solicit the feedback, the opinion of the people from those backgrounds, so that they also feel part of the discussion. They also feel part of the team there, and that really brings in the value of the inclusion in there. Last but not the least, we also celebrate differences. We have a pretty nice event in the Pride Month. We have a lot of collaborative events with the Networking Organization for Women, where team members or colleagues, they share their own experiences which they have gone through. So that creates a lot of awareness, that creates a lot of team building there, team camaraderie there. So that really helps in bringing out the value of the inclusion in the team.
Supporting inclusion is being humble and having self-awareness. We all need to be aware of our own biases, continue learning, and taking actions to make everybody feel safe and included. This is a continuous process that starts with how we behave ourselves. We have a big responsibility as people leaders in the organization to give example, support equal opportunities, and drive. Supporting inclusion is being humble and having self-awareness. We all need to be aware of our own biases, continue learning, and taking actions to make everybody feel safe and included. This is a continuous process that starts with how we behave ourselves.
So first of all, I support inclusion by being my authentic self and being open. By being my authentic self at work and openly speaking about my own experiences or challenges, I create an environment where those around me feel psychologically safe to be themselves as well. Also, I make sure that I seek to understand other people's perspectives, really listen and support their perspectives, even if they're different to my own. And finally, I speak up to challenge unconscious bias or when I see non-inclusive behaviour.
Well, I try to be a visible leader on this topic, be it by supporting Pride, be it by being a member of the DAWN network, the Disability Awareness Network, be it by recording podcasts on this topic for LinkedIn, or by holding the diversity and inclusion belonging training for staff. I try to make sure that my team sees that I fully support diversity, inclusion, and belonging in both what I say and what I do.